Hi. What do you have there?
Pictures.
Pictures. What are you eating?
Apple.
Eating the apple? Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Are you standing? Hi, Hazel. Happy Thanksgiving, Hazel. What's today, Hazel?
Pee-pee.
What's that?
No.
Pee-pee? You
Lala.
need to go pee-pee?
Lala.
Lala? What's Lala?
Dee-dum.
Diddy-dum, you like the songs? Who's that in the mirror?
Here.
Hazel.
Can you shake?
Are you dancing? Standing up? What? Oh, thank you. You're standing up, Hazel? Yeah. It's not walking.
Turning.
What's it?
Turning.
Trying. Okay, you're trying to walk. What'd you find? Oh, some fuzzies. Thank you, Hazel. Oh, I dropped a little bit too. Sorry. Okay, Hazel. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to the pictures. Bye-bye, camera. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Say thank you. Thank you.
Color.
Thank you to the camera.
Bye.
Bye.
Color.
Bye, camera. Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Mama.
Is that mama? Please stand up.
Hi.
Stand up.
Apple.
Oh, hey. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, mama.
Hi.
We're just doing a little.
Apple.
Are you having an apple? Is Daddy filming you with an apple in your mouth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Mwah. I was thinking about getting the video camera out today.
Where are you?
Thanksgiving Day.
Yeah. We already did a little too much of the time.
What's that?
probably pause now here. Unless she wants to show off her walking.
Oh no!
Apple.
You want to stand up? Looks like you want to stand up. Hi. Are you gonna walk? Are you walking? Did you see that?
Did you just walk, Hazel? Was that you walking?
You were walking. Oh.
Hair, Mama's got hair.